Welcome back to Ajay Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, the 7th of May 2024, we are delving into the dynamic world of cotton futures, where recent trends are painting a complex picture. ICE cotton futures have been on a downward spiral, with Monday marking another deep, extending their slide to more than an 18-month low. Traders' decision to up their net short position has been a significant factor overshadowing any gains spurred by positive sentiments in wider oil and financial markets. In specifics, ICE cotton contracts for May saw a close at 76.56 cents, a 80-point drop, while July settled at 77.06 cents, losing 100 points. Meanwhile, December ended 66 points weaker at 75.31 cents. These price limits have reverted to 3 cents due to nearby futures edging back to the 70-cent level. But what's behind these shifts? A glance at the US cotton crop reveals that as of Sunday, planting progress reached 24%, surpassing the normal pace for this time of the year. However, despite this progress, USDA's weekly export sales report showed a decline, with net sales for 2023-2024 down 45% from the previous week. Monthly export data from Census tells us a different story, showing a 3.63% increase in cotton shipments during March compared to the same period last year. This hints at a potential silver lining amidst the market fluctuations. Looking at the World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates (WASDE) report, projections for world trade in 2023-24 have been revised upwards by 700,000 bales, nearly reaching the 44 million mark. However, it's important to note the nuanced shifts in regional dynamics, with China's imports increasing while other key players like Pakistan and Indonesia see reductions. As we observe ICE-certified cotton stocks remaining unchanged and the Kotluk A index experiencing a decline, it's evident that market sentiment is fluctuating. Further insights from Commitment of Traders data reveal managed money in cotton futures and options flipping to a new net short position. This bearish move highlights the cautious stance many investors are taking in light of current market conditions. So, what's next for cotton futures? All eyes are on the upcoming USDA monthly WASDE report, scheduled for release this Friday. As we await further clarity, remember to stay informed and stay tuned to Ajay Guru for the latest updates and insightful analysis. Until next time.